Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Slack account to your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Slack to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that being efficient can increase your productivity. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Slack account to Pipedrive, you're going to click on this little puzzle icon here on the top right. You click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this green Browse Marketplace button. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see the Slack logo. It's called Deal Bot for Slack. If you don't see that for some reason, you can easily click in the search bar and just type in Deal Bot and then click on search. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the Slack logo right here. Go ahead and click on Deal Bot for Slack. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to show you a little bit of information about connecting your Slack account to your Pipe. If you're okay with that, click on this green Authorize button. Okay, next you get to choose who's allowed to be a user on this. So I'm going to leave it at only me. However, you can go ahead and add specific users or all users. That's up to you. And then click on Next. Okay, so here it lets you know what types of permissions are going to be granted. Read through that, and if you're okay with that, click on Allow and Install. Okay, next Slack opens up a browser. So you're going to need to log in with your Slack username right here and then click on Continue. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and sign into your Slack account. So I'm going to enter in my login information now. Okay, next Slack warns you that DealBot is actually trying to get access to all of this information here and share that with your Pipedrive. If you're okay with that, click on Allow down here on the bottom right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see Slack integration. So now I can go ahead and manage my deals, and that information is going to be shared with my Slack. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Slack account to your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.